Hey everybody, it's Shark Scrapper with another Shark Bites. This time, what's inside the Sharkmobile? Well, it's a trampoline and a basketball hoop.
But these weren't already taken apart. These were all put together, waiting for me to do that. Here, let's take a look.
So I got a call from someone that I gave a card to a while back. They have a basketball court and a basketball hoop and a trampoline. So I'm on site to take those apart and transport them. Don't know if I can record in the backyard or not, so I may not catch the trampoline until I have it in the truck. We'll see. Okay, here's the trampoline. I've already gotten the skirt off of it. I need to get the rest of it taken apart, so this should be a lot of fun. If you enjoy street scrapping or e-waste videos, check out my playlist and all the fun stuff that I have up there to share. Everybody be safe. This is the Shark Scrapper.